Hello friends, welcome back to Anglophone English Grammar Course. In this video, our topic is verbs and its kinds. Verbs are an essential part of any language and plays a vital role in forming sentences. In this video, we'll discuss what verbs are and the different kinds of verbs with examples. So let's start our video. Firstly, let's understand that what are verbs. A verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. It is the main element of a sentence that shows what the subject is doing, what is happening to it, or what it is like. Let's take a look at some examples. John runs every morning. In this sentence, the verb is runs, which shows the action that John is doing. The cake is delicious. Here, the verb is, which shows the state of being of the cake. The car crashed into the tree. In this sentence, the verb is crashed, which shows the occurrence that happened. Types of verbs. There are several types of verbs including action verb, helping verb or auxiliary verbs, linking verb, modal verb, transitive verbs or intransitive verbs. Let's understand them one by one to clear our concepts. Action verbs. These are the verbs that expresses physical or mental action that someone or something performs. For example, she dances gracefully. In this sentence, dances is an action verb that performs a physical action. He ate his lunch quickly. In this sentence, ate is an action verb because eating something is an action. Linking verbs. These are the verbs that connect the subject of the sentence to the complement, which can be a noun, a pronoun, or adjective that describes or renames the subject. For example, she appears happy. The verb appears connect the subject she to the complement happy. He seems tired. The verb seems connect the subject he to the complement tired. Helping verbs and auxiliary verbs. These are verbs that work together with the main verb to create different verb tenses or moods. For example, she is singing a song. The helping verb is used with the main verb singing to form the present continuous tense. He has completed his homework. The helping verb has is used with the main verb completed to form the present perfect tense. They will go to the concert. The helping verb will is used with the main verb go to form the future tense. Modal verbs. These are the verbs that expresses the speaker's attitude towards the action or state of being expressed by the main verb. They can also convey different degrees of certainty, obligation, permission, possibility, and ability. For example, she can swim well. The modal verb can expresses the ability. He must finish his work. The modal verb must expresses the obligation. They may come to the party. The modal verb may expresses possibility. transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs are those that requires an object to complete the meaning of the sentence. For example, she wrote a letter. The verb wrote is transitive because it requires the object a letter. He ate an apple. The verb ate is transitive because it requires the object an apple. On the other hand, intransitive verbs are those that do not require an object to complete the meaning of the sentence. For example, she laughed. The verb laughed is an intransitive verb because it does not require an object. He run. The verb run is intransitive because it does not require an object to complete its meaning. Regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs follow a specific pattern in the formation of their past tense and past participle form, which is to add ed at the end of the base form. For example, the base form of the verb walk is walk, the past tense form is walked, and the past participle form is walked. We put ed at the last of the base form walk, so it becomes walked and walked. Here are some sentence examples of regular verbs. I watched a movie last night. We walked in the park for an hour. In both these sentences, watched and walked are regular verbs because in past and past participle tenses, these verbs only have to add ed at the last of their base words. On the other hand, irregular verbs are those that do not follow the same pattern as regular verb in forming their past tense and past participle forms. Their forms can be unpredictable and must be memorized. For example, the base form of the verb go is go, the past tense form is went, and the past participle form is gone. Here are some sentence examples of irregular verbs. I went to the beach last weekend. She ate breakfast at the cafe this morning. In both these sentences, went and ate are irregular verbs. In the first sentence, the base form is go, its past form is went, and its past participle form is gone. In the second sentence, the base form is eat, its past form is ate, and past participle form is eaten. These are some main kinds of verbs that we have discussed in this video. This is the end of this video. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next video.